Are you someone who loves to entertain your friends and families? And it is the sports season, right? We are watching football this time. We love to entertain, but we run out of ideas. I'm going to show you what I do when I'm inviting my friends and families over to watch the football game with me. This is a simple and easy appetizer, and it is affordable. So, guys, are you sure you want to see what I have to do? Let's get right over to the kitchen and we're gonna do this delicious appetizer. It's football! Go! The first thing I need is my baking tray for this easy and simple appetizer. I bought myself a bag of flatbread with 2 flatbreads in it for $3.50. Very affordable. And this is what I will be making. It's the sports season going on, or you may have something special. You want to invite your friends and families. You run out of ideas. This is something you can try. It is easy and it's simple, guys, and delicious. And when I think about what I will be adding on, some vegetables and cheese and the works. This makes me want to dance. Just the thought of the melted cheese on top of this flatbread, it makes me really want to dance. So if you're having your friends and families over and you want to try this, guys, go ahead. It is easy and simple, no stress at all. That is why I love to do this. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Spread some butter on top of your flatbread. Let's add some shredded cheese on this flatbread. I will be adding some baby tomatoes with some spinach to this flatbread. I washed my tomatoes and now I will be cutting them up. I also will be using some baby spinach. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Let's continue. Let's add some more cheese to the spinach and tomato, and we are ready to start baking. My flatbread is in the oven, and I'm gonna be making myself some nice refreshing lemonade. Yes, lemonade goes well with this flatbread, or even a glass of wine, guys. You gotta try something different. So it's hot outside, and I will be making some refreshing lemonade. Let's continue. I'm using lime to make my lemonade. You can use lemon as well. Wash your lime or your lemon, squeeze into some sugar, and then I will be adding some bottled water. Take the inside of your lime or your lemon and put it in. That little pulp there, it makes a refreshing and delicious lemonade. Let's continue, guys. Now let's add our bottled water and start mixing. My vegetable flatbread is all done. Let's cut some slices. This is gold. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Woo-hoo. Gold. Guys, for subscribing to the channel, taking some time watching my videos and my lives, and I will see you in the next one. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that notification bell and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.